The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet and Morges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Morges Inlet and Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Peconic and Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore. At 6:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Montauk Point to 6 nautical miles southeast of Little Peconic Bay to near Morges Bay to near Smithtown Bay, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Montauk Shoal, Morges Bay, Morges Inlet, Shinnecock Bay, Shinnecock Inlet, West Hampton Beach, and Montauk Point around 6:10 p.m. Great South Bay around 6:25 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Peapatch Island, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Peapatch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Old LaSalle evacuation orders still in effect. Zone 1 and 2 set status with only residents being allowed to enter through Geyser Pass or Taylor Flats Road. 34. Current evacuation orders, go status, remain in place. Zone 6, remains the same go status. But residents of Mountain Shadows, Lower Highway 46 and Hangdog will have access and will be allowed to stay. These 3 areas will be at set status. The rest of Zone 6, Peaceful Valley, will still be on go. Zone 5, 7, 8 ready. Please follow evacuation orders. For more information, follow the San Juan County Sheriff's Office Facebook page.
This emergency